To put it simply, acoustic technology allows you to see sound. And, you know, when you put that in a sentence, it sounds quite strange. How do you see sound? But ultimately, having a device with an array of microphones, which allows you to triangulate, locate, and actually identify where a leak is from a distance. That's kind of in its simplest format. That's what you do with acoustic imaging generally. So one of the key features with acoustic imaging technology is the ability to quantify the cost of losses. So for example, if you're paying 20 pence per kilowatt hour, you can enter that number into the camera, and then when you have your quantification cost calculated internally within the device, it gives you an accurate, don't get me wrong, it's not to the penny, but it's a very, very good indicator in regards to what type of costs are being lost over a year.
So it's good for prioritising faults, leaks that need to be fixed.
Yeah, so you can essentially see which leaks are the worst.
Yeah.
What happens when you fix all your leaks? Well, the simple fact is you never will. When you have a bad leak, and it's the biggest contributor to your air loss, when you fix that leak, that then creates pressure in the system, which will make the smaller leaks a bit larger.
Yeah.
So it's kind of, there's a continuous process of improvement with the leak location, identification and quantification. But ultimately, it can then be down to the user to dictate which ones need to be repaired first. And literally, we're talking within minutes, you can be up and running to capture some data. From that perspective, this technology is designed, and in reality is, easy to use from a very early stage. I've done demonstrations in the UK where we've had a rapid return on investment because the capability of the device, there's no faster way to find compressed air leaks. So I would say anyone who's using generating compressed air, use it in a manufacturing environment, there's a benefit to be seen with it, even with a demonstration of this type of equipment, because you will see how fast it can be in regards to the speed of identifying a leak.